Do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and please do click on the bell icon there to get regular notifications. Dhanyawad. Namaskar. In this video today, I'm going to share with you some tips on how to grow your Instagram follower base and become Insta famous. Instagram is the new cool and you cannot deny this fact that 2018 is all about doing the right Instagramming for your business. But one of the most important factors is, do you have enough followers so that they can enjoy the content that you share? Well, here are some tips for you to grow your Instagram follower base. First of all, stop following the semi-nude models who says follow me so that I can follow you back. That hashtag follow for follow. They will follow you now and they will unfollow you later. Even if they follow you for lifetime, they won't engage with your posts. Stop buying your Instagram followers because they will do no justice to your posts and stories. They are just those bots who are lurking around on Instagram and doing nothing. So what should you do? 1. Define the purpose. Tell people in description why should they follow you. If they know who you are and what you share, they would like to follow you. Point number 2. Start posting great images. The key to success on Instagram is creative Instagramming. Invest in a good phone, click some great pictures, use tools like Typorama or Quick, which is Quik, and make your content all the more professional with text placements on image. Point number 3. Boost your Instagram post with an objective to make people visit your profile. Last week, after spending $20, I earned 200 to 311 followers. Remember, when you boost your post, your image and description needs to have a clear call to action. Point number 4. Follow hashtags and follow relevant people. Search for hashtags where you will find relevant people. For example, hashtag social media. If you're in social media industry, you will find relevant content and relevant people here. Engage with the audience, like their posts, comment and follow them. You are more likely to win a follow back. Remember, you can't do a bulk follow, so please keep that pace a little low. If you're too worried about your follow and following ratio, use mobile apps like unfollowers. You can unfollow those people who are not following you after a week or so. Point number 5. Keep up your schedule. If you're posting every day at a certain time, ensure you regularly make a post on that time. You can either post once or twice a day, but follow a consistent schedule. Ensure to use 10 to 15 hashtags that people are searching for. These hashtags matters. I'm not a big fan of posting 30 hashtags. I tried this, it looks really shabby. So as you post these photos, ensure that you really use long descriptions as that engages the audience and gives them a scope of liking your post. If you're posting about a location, do not forget to tag that location. Point number 6. Engage with your users. When people comment on your Instagram posts, please don't leave them just like that. Reply to them. When you engage with your audience, it matters the most, so please do reply to them. Point number 7. Run campaigns that allows your followers to tag their friends. For example, tag your friend who would enjoy going to a particular place. Tag your friend with whom you would like to share this drink. And this will help you in getting a lot of followers. Point number 8. Go live on Instagram stories. When you go live on Instagram stories, you tend to grow more loyal followers. Follower style. I like to do a question and answer session on Instagram live, and this is absolutely fun. So when I go live, I sometimes see a lot of people engaging with me and I see them becoming a loyal fan. So that's one of the best ways for you to engage your audience. Point number 9. Tell consistent stories. If you want more likes on your posts, try to create Instagram stories that creates curiosity. A lot of people use stories to tell, check my latest Instagram post in the most creative way possible so that they can get more likes, posts and comments. You can see an example here. Try these techniques. This will really help you grow quick followers on your Instagram. By the way, let's connect on Instagram. You can follow my Instagram profile by clicking on this link, which is up there in the comment section or in the description section below. And that's one more tip for you to promote your Instagram account wherever you go. With this, I will end my video. I hope you're learning a lot. Do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and please do click on the bell icon there to get regular notifications. Dhanyawad.